What's up, guys? Jim Edwards here. Hope you're having a great day. Welcome to another edition of Letting the Chickens Out with Jim. And literally just got home from Aruba. Took the suitcases in the house, and now I'm going out to let the chickens out. So I just wanted to say hi, and wanted to go say hi to the chickens for a few minutes, and also wanted to just talk about something that I think is really important, that I always say is important, but then I never live by it, and that is taking time to recharge your batteries. You know, every year my wife and I take a vacation for a couple of weeks, and it seems like we limp into that vacation with, I don't know, with like a lame horse on a half a leg, and it's funny. I think that we really need to be conscious of recharging our batteries. Hey Cynthia, hey Dan, thanks. And I think it's something that we all need to be just more aware of, is recharging your batteries, giving yourself a chance and time to recover and rest and recreate. And so I just think that's important, and we all need to really make a commitment to doing that, because otherwise, if you're just going all the time, you never have a chance to recharge your batteries, and you're never at your best. So, oh, look at the new rooster. He's grown a bunch in the last couple of weeks. Now, of course, he's going to hide. What's up, Rambo? Don't run. Don't be chicken. So, do you see him over there? There he is. Look how big he's gotten. So anyway, I think it's important. I'm recommitting to recharging my batteries on a more regular basis. And in honor of that, I'm going to be home for less than 24 hours and then going to pack up and head off to Funnel Hacking Live. Yay! So basically all I'm going to have time to do is get in a quick workout, do a bunch of laundry, pack my bags up again, and head out. But I think that's something I need to really concentrate on building into my schedule, is recharging and recreation and stuff. So anyway, just wanted to say hi. You guys have a great day. Who here is going to Funnel Hacking Live? I see Adam's going to be there. Awesome. And so I'll look forward to seeing you guys in all of my unicorn glory. And we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye, everybody.